How to get started with portable RFID kits from Brady. First thing is to grab the printer. Then install the required label roll and ribbon. Be it the M6 materials and M61 ribbons that work with the M610 and M611 label printers. Then you need to boot up the HH85 RFID reader. You then need to install the Brady RFID Toolbox app, available from the Nordic ID App Store. Now install the Brady Express Labels app, available from the Nordic ID App Store. Next, you need to follow the steps to pair via Bluetooth to the reader with the chosen printer. Designing and printing labels is easy with the Express Labels app. Here we're working with track and trace labels and also flag labels. After printing the labels, they now need to be encoded with your chosen info with the HH85 reader, using either UHF or NFC labels dependent on your application. Now the labels can be read with the info you assigned to them. UHF reads multiple labels at a distance. NFC reads individually at close range. For more information about RFID kits, speak to Brady.